Hello everybody, and welcome back to our last week of our Paseo. What we want to do is we want to finish them up and then record them on the Padlet. So follow these directions. First, go to classwork. In classwork, open up the Paseo activity. Remember to choose the clipboard. Open up the Paseo. When it opens, hopefully it looks like this. You'll have 8 things that describe you. If you have less than 8, that's okay. Finish up the last one, and then you're going to do your animations. Remember, animations are under Slide, Change Transition. Click on what you want to add for your animation. Then go down to the bottom to the plus sign. Select an object to animate. Remember, it always goes to fade in. You can change that. Play it to make sure you like it. Then remember to hit stop. When you're finished, you want to go back to Google Classroom to record it in Padlet. Go to the stream. I've sent everybody a link last week. You might have to scroll down on your stream to find it. It looks like this. Click on it. If you see other Paseos, that's okay. You're going to add yours here by clicking the plus sign. You'll add your title. That'll be your name. Just your first name is fine. Then you'll write something, like watch my Paseo. Then choose the 3 dots. Slide down to Screen. Click the arrow. You want to go to the Chrome tab and you only want to record the Paseo. Choose the Paseo and Share. Go to Present. And go ahead and start talking about your Paseo. You would say, "Hi, my name is Mr. Scotchless. I'm a Steeler fan. I'm also a teacher. Hopefully you think that I'm kind. I like to make robots. I am helpful. And I think I'm smart. I like to ride my bicycle. I'm married and I have 2 daughters, Della and Helena. My name is Mr. Scotchless." Once you're finished, you'll go back to the Paseo or say stop recording. Once you stop the recording, you're then going to wait for it to stream. It'll automatically save and upload to this page. Once your Paseo is recorded, I'll have to approve it. While you're waiting, you can watch other Paseos. Just click on them and watch them. Hopefully you've enjoyed this assignment and getting to know your friends. Next week we'll start a new project, so I want everybody to try to finish up today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.